Let's take a look at how to do niche research in Ahrefs. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It is a paid tool, but once you're in here, you just can put a URL in the top, click search, and it's going to give you this full breakdown of that company's website and what they have going on with their marketing. But to get here, what I like to do is come over to Google and just do a search for whatever the service is, if it's a service, and the location, if it's a local service, or it could just be the service if it's national, or even just a product. Either way, kind of like the main general topic, right? The plumbers in Mesa, Arizona is an example. And when we put that in and come down here, we're going to see a couple of different businesses. I'm going to find the websites that show up at the top of Google here, and I'm going to start putting those through Ahrefs to see what they have going on, essentially. Are they showing up in the AI citations? Do they have a strong backlink profile? Are they getting a lot of traffic organically or paid? Right? Taking a look at where their traffic is coming from. So I'm going to look at all these different factors for several different businesses. Right? That's the first one. And then that's going to start to give me a sense of, is this a competitive industry? How challenging is it going to be to rank for that specific type of keyword, right? And start to get an understanding of what exactly is going on. I mean, here's one that's showing up in position 2, but they have not a lot of AI citations, backlinks, and not a ton of traffic here, or keywords. They have decent traffic, but I'm looking at this going, hey, maybe I could rank for this keyword, right? So that's the sort of opportunity that you're looking for, and when you stumble upon it, you're like, oh, here we go. Okay, so say we wanted to go out and expand into that local, area, we could definitely go make that happen, knowing that, hey, look, there's a opportunity here. But again, until you do the research, you're kind of flying blind. So that is sort of how I do niche research in a nutshell, if I'm doing it just quick and simple and keeping this short. But if there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now, because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.